Hello and welcome back to Cyber Circuit. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss any of our videos. Founded as Tesla Motors by Mark Tarpenning and Martin Eberhard in 2003, Tesla Inc. is not only an electric vehicle company, but also clean energy, named in honor of Serbian-American inventor and electric engineer Nikola Tesla. It is also a company. Tesla Inc. frontman, a charismatic and tenacious leader, contributed to Tesla's success, joining Tesla Motors as chairman and product architect in 2004, and eventually becoming CEO in 2008. Headed by Elon Musk, Tesla is at the forefront of the electric vehicle industry, becoming number one in 2020 as the largest and most prominent electric vehicle manufacturer with a 28% market share. Shareholders of Tesla. The Vanguard Group Inc. owns a complete of 57,814,310 Tesla stocks, representing 6% of the company's overall stocks outstanding, making it the second shareowner of Tesla. The Vanguard Group is one of the world's biggest funding companies. Along with BlackRock and State Street, it's miles diagnosed as one of the big three index fund managers running inside the American market. As of January 31, 2021, Vanguard is the important thing issuer and mutual budget and exchange-traded budget with about $7.2 trillion in the property below management. BlackRock Inc. owns 50,080,396 shares of Tesla, equivalent to 5.2% of the total number of issued shares, and 43,700,653 shares with sole voting rights for each Tesla 10K filing for the period ending December 31, 2020. A global investment management company that provides wealth management services to clients. With a record $9 trillion in assets under management in the first quarter of 2021, the company is the world's largest wealth manager with 70 offices in 38 countries. The founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of BlackRock is Lawrence D. Fink, founded BlackRock in 1988 with 7 partners. Capital Ventures International owns 49,569,773 shares of Tesla, representing 5.2% of total shares outstanding, including 187,272 shares beneficially owned by Capital Ventures International, 45,106,707 shares beneficially owned by Susquehanna Securities LLC, 4,261,126 shares beneficially owned by Susquehanna Investment Group, and 14,668 shares beneficially owned by Darby Financial Products. Some individual shareholders that are executive officers and directors. Elon Musk. Elon Musk owns a total of 227,131,935 shares of Tesla, which accounts for 22.4% of the company's total outstanding shares and is Tesla's largest shareholder. He has been Tesla's chief executive officer since 2008. Born and raised in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Musk is also the founder, CEO, and chief engineer of SpaceX. He is the co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI and the founder of The Boring Company. As of June 1, 2021, Musk's net worth is $172 billion. He is 100 billion billionaires and one of the wealthiest people in the world. Surprisingly, due to liquidity constraints, Musk promised more than half of Tesla's stock as personal loan collateral to pursue his ambitious plans. Elon Musk is working to revolutionize space transport through electric vehicle maker Tesla on Earth and rocket maker SpaceX, Forbes said. Born in South Africa, Elon Musk moved to Canada at the age of 17, then to the U.S., where he earned a bachelor's degree in physics and economics from the University of Pennsylvania. In 1995, he moved to California. Together with his brothers Kimball and Greg Coury, he founded Zip2, a web software company that provides and licenses online city guide software for newspapers. Lawrence Joseph Ellison, who joined Tesla's board in December 2018, owns a total of 15,186,807 Tesla shares, representing 1.6% of the company's total shares outstanding, which makes him the second largest individual investor. He is chairman, CTO, and co-founder of Oracle Corporation, of which he owns 39.5%. Founding the company in 1977, he served as its CEO until 2014. Antonio Gracias owns 1,738,393 shares and is Tesla's third largest single investor. Antonio J. Gracias, Tesla Inc. Independent Director, Chief Executive Officer, and Chief Investment Officer of Valor Management LLC, Founder, Chief Executive Officer, and Chief Investment Officer of Valor Management Corp. Harmony Biosciences Holdings Inc., Independent Director and Chairman of. He is a board member of Philogyrus Regions SAS and a member of the Commercial Club in Chicago. With over 20 years of private equity investment experience, Antonio is a board member of several Valor portfolio companies and a member of all Valor investment committees. Ira Enterprise is an independent director, chair of the Compensation Committee, and chair of the Nominating and Governance Committee at Tesla, owning 817,706 shares. He is also the founder and managing partner of DBL Partners, which is an investment venture focused on companies delivering not only top-ranked venture capital returns, but also positive social, economic, and environmental benefits. Kimball Musk. Kimball Musk, who has been a Tesla board member for nearly 17 years, owns nearly 600,000 Tesla shares. On February 9, 2021, he sold 30,000 shares worth $25.6 million. Born in South Africa, Kimball is a restaurant owner, entrepreneur, chef, and owner of the Kitchen Restaurant Group, based in Colorado and with offices nationwide. Kimball co-founded this restaurant family with Hugo Madison in 2004, focusing on sourcing ingredients from American farmers and serving genuine food. Robin Denholm is the owner of 728,881 Tesla shares. In 2014, she became a non-executive director of Tesla Inc., and in 2018, she succeeded Elon Musk as chairman of the board. At Tesla Inc., she also serves as financial expert, independent director, chair of the audit committee, member of the nominating and governance committee, member of the compensation committee, and chair of the disclosure controls committee. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.